morning, Red and Ruby class, and welcome to your maths lesson today. Let's start with the date. Yesterday was really special because it was the beginning of the week, Monday, and the beginning of a new month, the 1st of February. So let's go through today, the day first of all. If yesterday was Monday, today must be Tuesday. And if yesterday was the 1st of February, today is the 2nd of February. So Mochi's going to show us today is Tuesday, the 2nd of February. And we're going to start warming up our brains with our song. Just to remind you, it goes like this. Days of the week, 5 days at school, 2 for weekend, days of the week. There's Monday and there's Tuesday, there's Wednesday and there's Thursday, there's Friday and there's Saturday, and finally then Sunday. And then it repeats. So let's go for it. Join in as best you can. So ready? Bravo! Well done, everybody. Okay, so our skill is to double numbers to 12. Yesterday we were saying our number sentences and today we're going to be writing them. So I need you to pause the video and grab your pencil and your book. If you don't have your book, just grab a piece of paper and we'll get started. Okay, so yesterday we learned doubling means the same number again. Let's say that together. Doubling means the same number again. So if I had 1 and I doubled it, I would need another 1. If I had 2 and I doubled it, I would need another 2. 1 and 1, 2 and 2. If I had 3 and I doubled it, I would need the same again. Another 3. If I had 4 and I doubled it, I would need another 4. And if I had 5 and I doubled it, I would need another 5. 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 4, 5 and 5. If you're with a grown-up, I would like you to pause the video for me and I would like you to ask them if they wouldn't mind putting on this episode. It's a number blocks episode, series 2, called Double Trouble, and it's so fun and just shows you a little bit more about doubling. Okay, right, moving on then. You're going to need your book and your pencil now because we're going to continue with the story of the doubling dog. So here is Mochi. Now, yesterday, Mochi had been given a magic mirror and anything that was put in front of that mirror doubled. He was so excited. He thought, I can't wait to go and show all of my friends. So he popped his lead on. He got his magic mirror and he set off into the woodland. He first came across Bumble, the bumblebee, and he said, oh, good morning, Bumble, how are you? Bumble said, I'm very well, thank you, Mochi. What you got there? And he said, oh, Bumble, let me show you. It's a magic mirror. Anything you put in front of this mirror doubles. And Bumble said, wow, that's incredible. Can I try it out? And Mochi said, of course you can, Bumble. What would you like to put in front of it? Bumble thought long and hard about this and he thought, I know, I've been busy collecting pollen and so wouldn't it be great if I had more than one flower? So Bumble got all the flowers he had collected. He had, ready, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 flowers. And he put those flowers in front of his magic mirror. Ready? And the flowers doubled. How many do you think he has now? Well, let's find out. Bumble had 4 flowers and he doubled to have another 4. So 4 and 4 equals, let's find out. Double 4 equals 8. Great. Can we say that together? Double 4 equals 8. Now this time I would like you to write what you have discovered. We have discovered that 4 add 4 equals 8. Pause the video and give yourself enough time to write that in your books. And then we'll continue our story. Okay, so Mochi continued. He's continued through his woodland. He had his lead on and he had his magic mirror, and after he had said goodbye to Grumble, he immediately bumped into a beautiful bird. This was Freddie the bird. Hi Freddie, how are you? And Freddie said, I'm very well, thank you, Mochi. What you got there? Mochi said, Freddie, you should see this. I've got a magic mirror. Anything that you put in front of this mirror doubles it. And Freddie thought, wow, that's pretty cool. Can I try it out? And Mochi said, of course you can. What would you like to double? Freddie thought long and hard about this. He thought, I know what I could do with. I have been collecting sticks for my nest and I could really use some help finding more sticks. Mochi said, no problem. Grab all the sticks you've got and put them in front of my mirror. So Freddie did that. He had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sticks. And he put them in front of the mirror. And what do you think is going to happen? Ready? They doubled. So exciting. So Freddie had 5 sticks. And he doubled them, so he now has another 5. How many does Freddie have altogether? Let's count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, double 5 equals 10. Can we say that together? Double 5 equals 10. Now it's your turn to write what you have discovered. We have learned that 5 add 5 equals 10. So pause the video, write that in your book, and then join me again for one last part of the story. Go. After Mochi had helped Freddie, Freddie set up with all 10 of his sticks to make his nest, and Mochi continued in the woodland with his lead and his magic mirror. After a while, he bumped into his good friend, the squirrel. This was Daisy the squirrel, and she was so excited to see her friend. Hi, Mochi, Daisy said. How are you? I'm really good, Daisy. Have you seen my magic mirror? No, said Daisy. What does it do? Well, anything that you need more of, you put it in front of the mirror and it doubles it. Well, that's pretty cool, said Daisy. I'm collecting acorns, so I've got enough for the winter. Can I try it out? Of course, said Mochi. How many acorns do you have? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Daisy put them in front of the mirror and the mirror doubled the acorns. Now, how many do you think there are? We can't use our hands anymore because we don't have 6 fingers on one side. So how many do you think there could be? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have learned that double 6 equals 12. Let's say that together. Double 6 equals 12. Now we're going to write what we have discovered. We have discovered that 6 add 6 equals 12. So in your books, I would like you to pause the video and write 6 plus 6 equals 12. And then meet me back here. Okay guys, hopefully you have had more than enough time to write those sentences in your book, and now it's time for your challenge. Your challenge is to double these numbers below. What you have to do is get your counting objects and your magic mirror, and then write what you have discovered in your books, a little bit like these examples you can see here. So, if for example you picked number 2, you would put 2 counting objects in front of your mirror and you would count all of the objects you can see. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you would then write 2 add 2 equals 4 in your books. I have put some of these numbers in blue. These are the ones that I want you to have a go of. But if you need an extra challenge, I have put some more numbers in red, and I would like you to have a go at those. Let me know how you get on, and I'll see you tomorrow for another maths lesson. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.